Hi, Tarot Love Bugs. It's Ethany and it's First Impressions Friday, and I have a new deck for us to discover together. This is Manifesting Your Greatness by Amy E. Chase, and this was sent to me by Amy. She reached out to me via, I'm pretty sure, Instagram. That's how most people find me, and said, would I be interested in sharing this deck with you all? And I said, of course. I love sharing other people's work and letting you know what you get when you go to purchase things. And this is what we have. So we've got this beautiful box. This is it says, need an aha moment. This deck has an answer for you, and it will quickly become a close friend, one who is open-minded, savvy, and ready to rock. So it's a 46 color deck, and yeah, there's some nuggets of truth. I have not seen much of this deck on Instagram, so I'm really interested to see what is what's up in here. This is by Red Feather, and I'm going to, as always, swap over cameras, and we're going to discover Manifesting Your Greatness together. Okay, now we're going to go through the Manifesting Your Greatness Oracle deck created by Amy E. Chase, if you're just reaching us. So it comes with this beautiful, Red Feather, which is owned by Schiffer Publishing, do a very good job of boxing everything they box. It's really beautifully done. So we have the ribbon. So we have this gorgeous box. Here's the guidebook. Oh, hello, Blue. How are you? I wonder why it was done like that, though. Why it's in two pieces and not one. Strange. Just getting the rings off. Okay, so we have the guidebook, which we're going to have a look at after we go through the cards. Hello, Blue. Oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, Scadio. Look, that is at the bottom, it's level, and at the top, it is not. That's why it's in two. I wonder if that's with every single one of them. That's a real shame. Look at that is, I can't really show you, but it is, I'm putting it flat. And it looks like that's been trimmed in properly. What a shame. The blue is stunning. That's one of the things that I've noticed with Schiffer Red Feather. You guys have got to, lovingly, I'm going to say this because maybe your authors feel weird about saying it, you need to sort out your production issues. Like, I know everyone whinges and moans about, Llewellyn's flimsy cardstock, which I disagree with because I shuffle the crap out of that stuff and it holds up to a lot of shuffling. So at least it's like it's going, the cover on it shuffles well. But I don't think I've ever gotten a Schiffer deck where I haven't had issues with it. The Gaian Tarot, which I love, the Llewellyn edition I have, and then I have the Schiffer edition. The borders were off, a lot of people cut them, which meant they lost the gilding on it because of issues with the production. I don't know if you guys are rushing it or what you're doing, but you're doing a disservice to your people. I have Poppy Palin's Everyday Enchantment Tarot. I just bought a second copy so I could have a backup. I love her work and wanted to support her, and I'm going to unbox her deck too. And I'm like, oh shit, what am I going to see on that? I know I've kind of digressed a little bit, but I feel like this is an important thing to say. Like, beautiful box, beautiful guidebook, but like, that is a glaring problem. And it's not even, the whole thing is off. Look at that, it's just off. And that's not Amy's fault. That is the publishing company's fault. Look at the bottom's off too. Anyway, I'm gonna stop. I'm sorry about that, Amy. I don't feel like that's going to stop me from appreciating and working with this deck, but it's not, not cool, mate. Beautiful backs. I don't reverse my cards anyway, so for me, having a gorgeous piece of artwork like that does not faze me at all. Okay. The cardstock is beautiful. It is matte. It is beautiful cardstock. So a nice 350 thick cardstock with matte finishing. Ask for help. And I'm already loving this. The other thing I want to say too, and I don't know if this was Amy's choice, but honey, your artwork, look how beautiful this artwork is. I feel like this box doesn't do it justice. Because it feels a little dirty. And I actually quite like this whole, and maybe that could have been the book cover, but for me, that's dirty. Clean lines make you want to pick something up. Even if it was this royal blue around here, to kind of balance it out, like that's better. That's just me from a design perspective, being probably a little bit picky, but look how beautiful this artwork is. Black out the media. Yeah, no kidding. It's why I don't watch the news. I don't watch TV. I have a feed blocker on my Facebook. I don't on my phone. But there's a reason. Every breath can be a new beginning. Beautiful. Buck Convention. And these are gorgeous. Look at these. They're like whimsical. You can build any kind of life you want. Magical art that's really so cute. Call upon angels. Very to the point, very obvious help. Continue. Like answers, right? You'll be getting very clear answers out of this deck. Learn to defend yourself. It's often easy to make a ripple. Ripple? Sorry folks, still not well. So, embrace imperfect color with crayons. Entrepreneurship. Explore your depths. Oh, okay, cool. So we just come up to the card that has the artwork, Fear Nothing. Again, that is a powerful message and a really lovely card. I personally would not have picked that as the cover. Find a little divinity in yourself. I feel like such an a-hole, like critiquing work, but I want to be honest. Focus on one thing at a time. And here's the thing too, I feel like, I love that, I really like that a lot. Very Eight of Pentacles. I feel like what happens is we critique things, especially like in this community where we're like, we hate the cardstock, we hate the borders, we want the borders, I hate the gilding, I like the gilding, I hate this, I hate the font, like everyone's a critic, right? Even including me. But you can be critical of something and still enjoy it. You can dislike one element of something but still really enjoy it overall. So whenever I say something that I've like, oh, maybe I wouldn't have chosen that, or it's not my aesthetic, or whatever it may be, that's just coming from me. This is just like I'm literally sitting in like gym shorts and a NYPD shirt from New York. Like I'm not saying this is like I'm being high and mighty and I know everything. I fuck up too. I make decisions in my productions that I don't necessarily like a few months later, but it doesn't mean you have to ditch the whole thing or feel as though that person's being critical of everything. Forgive. Something that I feel like we could get a little bit better at in the spiritual community is actually taking a little bit of constructive criticism. And I'm not preempting, I don't know Amy very well, so I don't know how she's going to receive this, but get out of your own way. Love this card. Get out of your own damn way. Oh, look, go out on a limb. Love that even more. So these are beautiful. They're so beautiful. Oh, it is not even about you. Oh, so great. Can't wait to read with these. I feel like it's gonna like slap people around a little bit. It is time. Leave room for whimsy. So anyway, I hope it's received. Lighten up in the way I mean, I'm not responsible for how things are received. I guess it's just, I gotta do me and I gotta be me, and that's really about it. Live in the moment. See, live in the moment. Believe you are magic, because baby, you are magic. Move your body. Mull it over. So great. Sleep on it, boo. Don't make a decision. Multiple streams of income. Music has what you need, always and forever. Notice the miracles. One small change. When organizing like with like. How beautiful. They're like kitty cats. Ponder your blessings. A beautiful gratitude practice. Rebalance, regroup. Self-care. Shine some light on it. Lumos. Nox. Lumos. Nox. Simplify. Oh my gosh, I think I just found my favorite card in the whole deck. Living for it. Stay the course. Onward, ever fucking onward. Take care of yourself. Take the time. Beautiful artwork, Amy. Like, just stunning. Tell your friends your goals. I feel like this is like get an accountability buddy. Think bigger. Think new, see fresh. Try something new without expectations. Oh, yes. Read that again, tribe. Try something new without expectations. Ditch the expectations. They will ruin your experience. Use your words, something that I had to tell my son growing up. Now he uses his words a lot. Visualize abundance when needed. You will get through this. Such beautiful messages and gorgeous artwork. I mean, I can't even with that blue. That's like that's my favorite blue. I want a shirt that color, that bright, that vivid, that shiny. Oh, hang on, let's turn that around. Now I'm going to pick a card and then we're going to go through the guidebook. The deck shuffles like butter. It shuffles beautifully, really, really beautifully. Lighten up. Doesn't it look like Brienne of Tarth? Just me? No? I'll call this my Brienne of Tarth card. All right, let's have a look at the guidebook. Okay. So it's in alphabetical order, which is very helpful. Where the words come from, about the art, no rules. This is a deck has no rules, there are no reversals. These oracle cards are not a cheat to learning the tarot. This deck is a friend and not a judgy friend. Shuffle, spread. Okay, and then it goes into... I'm just going to see if there's anything else in the back. I love that. Even like, look how well that's designed. Like, it's cool. It's like a... I like how this interior is designed too. It's really engaging. So we have lighten up. So there's no there's no spreads or anything. Lighten up. So then we have, look at this. This is like some actual just suggestions. Gotta lighten it up. Beastie Boys told us, and now this card is here to reiterate that. You need, see the music is what you need card. Have a sense of humor about yourself or your imperfectness. Other people have a sense of humor about your imperfectness, so you may as well too. Imperfections. Take a break from your own body and gravity altogether by doing guided meditation. Take a nap. Love me a nap. Move your body card. Sometimes relaxing is an actual lifesaver. Totally. So this is really cute. Like, as in, I love, not cute as in like, oh, cute. As in like, it's really well done. The only issues I have with this, and I said right at the beginning, is because when you shuffle it, look, you see that? How it's all like, and that's not on Amy. That's on the publisher. And I'm not sure I would have chosen that artwork to be on the cover. But besides that, it's a beautiful, colourful, great affirmations and great words to think of. Really different. I really appreciate how different it is and unique. Again, my favourite, Stay the Course. I will, as always, pop a link in the description below of where you can find Amy's work and where you can purchase this deck and support her. And as always, thank you so much for watching.